Assalamu alaikum and a very, very, very good morning to all of my sweet little students. Yeah, yeah, it's so very great to meet you again. That gives me energy. That is super great to see you all, your cute, sweet, smiling faces. Yeah, that's better. Smiling faces looks even better. Yeah, oh, everybody has started smiling. Oh, that's great. Fantastic. See, smile put up even more beauty, right, on your faces. You're also, yeah, like you're already very cute, mashallah. So, even, yeah, your beautiful smile makes you even more beautiful. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Super great. So, we are going to start our class of numeracy, right? And you remember we are matching, we are making pairs. Remember? Yes, we matched clothes and we matched animals and we matched food. Remember? Yes, uh, the animals with their shadows. Remember? Have you observed your shadow? Oh, that's great. Okay, and you do the activity of the candle making shadows and all? Did you do that? Ah, okay, some of you done it. Oh, that's great. That's fun. We really, as kids, enjoyed that activity at night. Yeah. Okay, that's great. So you're observing whatever you're learning, right? That's great. So I hope you can see me clearly. You can listen me. Yeah. Okay, that is great, super great. So today also we are going to match, rather we are going to take somebody to their babies. Yeah, you see, there are a couple of animals who are looking for their babies, right? But before we can bring them together, we have to see which animal has the babies and what kind of animal babies we can see around, right? You must have seen them. What do you call small cats? The baby cats? Yes, we call them kittens. Yeah, they are cat babies. And what do we call them? Small dogs. What do we call small dogs? The baby dogs. What do we call them? Yeah, we call them puppies. See, so they are around us, so we know, right? But there are many others which also have babies, and we have to find out what are those babies called, right? So first of all, we watch a video in which we see the animals with their babies, right? Okay, so I'm going to start a video in which you are going to see animal babies, right? Are you all ready? Okay, that's great. Let me put the volume on for you, right? Okay, now get set, ready.
Today's topic, animals and their babies.
Mommy, mommy, you are mine. Mommy, mommy, I love you. Mommy, mommy, I need food.
Oh,
Mommy, mommy, I need milk.
Mommy, mommy, I want to sleep. I want to roar like you. I want to be like you when I grow up. We love you, mommy.
okay, that is great. See, they all love their mummies, right? That is great. We all love our mummies, right? And do you? Yes, you always go to your mummy as they were all saying, Mummy, I love you. Mummy, you're so sweet. Mummy, I'm hungry. I want to eat something. Do you do that? Mommy, where can I find my shoes? Mommy, where can I find my books and all? Right? You're always after your mummies. Yeah. And do you hug them? Yeah, do you hug your mummies? Yeah, a tight hug. Today you're going to give your mommy a tight hug and say, Mommy, I love you so much. Right? Everybody has to do that today. Right? Okay, that is super great. So, see, we're always looking for our mothers. Mothers are very important. So, we have to meet them, right? Okay, we have to put them together. But before that, I'm going to show you a couple of more pictures, right? Now, look at this picture. Yeah. Now you can see on your left hand, just have a look at that on your left hand. Yes. You can see what you can see. Yeah, a horse, then a cow, a duck, a sheep, and then at the end, what is this? Yeah, there's a goat. Yeah. What is in front of the horse? That does not look like a horse baby, right? No, then the yellow ones, no, they even don't look like. Yeah, under the chicks, there is a small horse, a baby horse. And what do a baby horse called? Foal. Yes, we call him a foal. Okay, so then the other one is the cow. You see the cow with the black and white. Yeah, now black matches with which animal? Now look at your right. There is a little goat and a little hen and the foal, and then under the horse. Yeah, there's a baby cow. And what is the baby cow called? Calf, right? The baby goat is called, so baby cow is called a calf. Yes, okay. Now at your left, what do you see another? That is a duck. Quack, quack. Yeah, that's a duck. Okay. Now the duck has got, yeah, these yellow ones. Now what are the little ducks called? They called ducklings, right? The duck babies are called ducklings. Yay, good. Then under the duck, there is a sheep. Bah. Do you know the sound of the sheep? Yeah. Okay. There's a sheep says bah. And what is the baby sheep called? Can you find out the baby sheep? Where is it? Yes. Yeah, that's the last one on your right hand, right? That's the last one on your right hand. Then the baby sheep is called a lamb. What is the baby sheep called? Lamb, right? Okay. So the last one is a goat, and that matches the first one on your right, right? So the baby goat is also called a calf. Now the baby cow is calf, and the baby goat is also calf, right? Yay. Okay, so there must be a couple of others as well I want to show you. That is, yeah. Now there are a couple of other animals I want to share with you, right? See, on your right hand side, what do you see? There's the first one on your right hand at the top is a wolf, then a lion, then a cheetah, then a what do you call it? This is, yeah, this is not a deer. This is impala. Then a bear and then a tiger. Right? Okay. That is also good. So there are so many animals and they're all wild, right? They're all wild. Okay. Now the first one is wolf. The right on the top. Right? Okay. Now the wolf child is called, they're also called a cub, right? That is also called a cub. Right. Okay. And then there's a lion. Where's the lion's baby? Can you find that? Yeah, on your left hand side, look for the lion's baby. Yeah, that's the third one from the top. Yeah. And the lion's baby is also called a cub. Yeah. Yeah, most of them are called cup, right? Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, now we have a leopard. right? Or a cheetah. We can call him a cheetah. There is a little difference in the leopard and cheetah, right? So the cheetah's baby is also a cub, right? The cheetah's baby is also a cub, right? Okay. Then what we have a deer, we can say that's a deer, right? That is a deer. And the deer's baby is called, where is a deer and where is a baby? Yeah, there is a right on the fourth, and the deer's baby is the second one. Yeah. The deer baby is called a fawn. Yeah. The deer baby is called a fawn. Then we have a bear. And the bear baby is also called a cub, right? That is right under the lion's baby, right? And then the tiger baby is just also called a cub, right? That is also a cub. Right. See, there are so many animals and they have got small little cute babies. They're very cute, right? Okay, that is wonderful. We have seen a video as well and we have seen the pictures as well. And now you are going to take out your Maths Wise Book 1, right? Everybody take out your Maths Wise Book 1. Yay, that's great. Lovely. Okay, now we are going to open up the page number 6, right? Everybody take out your page number 6. Yes, good, good, good. Everybody on the page number 6. Yay, right. See, now what do you see? There are like a couple of babies. We have to match with their mothers. Yeah, there are like a couple of babies. We have to help children to, yeah, to go to their mothers. I hope that is easy for you now. Yeah, can you see the first one? They have matched the first one, the baby, the puppy. Yeah, the baby dog, the puppy. They have matched with the mother. Oh, wow. He'll be happy when he'll go to his mother, right? Yeah, he'll be more happy. Okay, now then the next one, what we have a kitten. And where do you see a cat? Can you see a cat? Yeah, at the top. Yeah, there is a cat. Okay, now quickly draw a line to match the kitten with the cat. Oh, now look at this. There is a baby. Looks like a baby boy. Yeah. Can you bring him to his mother? Yeah, sure, 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 please. Yeah, where will you go? Yeah, yeah, that. Yeah, great. Okay. Now we will draw a line from the baby boy to his mother. Oh, because the mother has to feed him, right? He's hungry. Okay, and now we are left with a small little yellow bird and the mummy. And what is this? Duckling. Yeah, that's a duckling. A duckling. So we have to draw a line from the duckling to his mother duck. Quack, quack, right? Okay. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Have you all drawn the lines? Okay, that is great. That is great. Super great. Okay, so you've done it. That was easy, right? Okay, so what you have to do is now, as we're doing matching, you're going to do page number 7 is your homework, right? You're going to read these and then you're going to match the things with the ones. Okay, now match what do you need, right? Okay, so page number 7 is your homework from the Maths Wise book number 1, the book number 1 and the page number 7, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the animal with the babies. Okay, did you enjoy that? Yes, that was fun. And don't remember to go to your mommy and you're going to hug her and you're going to say, I love you, mommy. right? She'll be more than happy, right? And then you can give her a kiss. Okay, okay. So this was a numeracy class, and I'll say bye bye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, right? And I will see you soon in the next class, right? Bye bye.